Good morning, students. Now in today's lecture we shall start exercise 2.3 of chapter polynomial. In the previous lecture we had seen regarding the zeros of the polynomial and their relationship with the coefficients. Now in this exercise very simple questions are, it is divisibility of algebraic expressions or algebraic polynomials. Division you have been taught in class 9th also. Let's see how to divide algebraic polynomials. Question number 1 of exercise 2.3, we are given divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. Means two polynomials are given, px and gx. We have to divide px by gx. We have to find the quotient and the remainder. Let's see, I am writing the first part of question number 1. First part, px is given x cube minus 3x square, 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and gx is given x square minus 2. Means we have to check the degree of dividend is always less than degree of divisor, more than degree of divisor. Dividend is px, its degree is 3, divisor is gx, its degree is 2, so we can divide. What is the motto of division? We divide the polynomials up to that extent when the degree of remainder is less than that of degree of divisor. If degree of remainder is less than divisor, we stop division. Let's see long division method. You have been taught in class 9th also. Let's see. I am dividing x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 divided by x square minus 2. Our motto is to eliminate always the first term. First term. So this is x cube, degree is 3. Here we have x square, degree is 2. If we divide the first term by first term, how many times we can divide? We divide it x times. X times. So x multiply in the divisor, x into x square, x cube. We write with the like term. And x into minus 2, minus 2x. So we write with the like term. We subtract, change the sign, minus and plus. This will go. What is left? Minus 3x square here plus 7x minus 3. Why 7x? Plus 5x and plus 2x plus 7x. This sign is now positive. Now we have here degree is 2. Here divisor degree is 2 x square. So coefficient is minus 3. How many times? Minus 3 times. So minus 3 into x square, minus 3x square, minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. Again subtract, this becomes plus and this becomes minus. This will go. What is left? 7x minus 9. See, now what is remainder? Its degree is 1 now. Degree is 1 and degree of divisor is 2. Means we cannot divide it further. So what is quotient? Quotient is x minus 3, and what is remainder? Remainder is 7x minus 9. So this is the answer of this question. Got it? How to divide? Very simple. We have to check the last step when degree of remainder is less than that of degree of divisor. and then we stop division. Let's see one more. Let's see one more part. You can pause the video to note out the solution. Second part, we have the polynomial x to the power 4 minus 3x square. Px is x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x minus 5 plus 5, sorry, plus 5, and gx is x square plus 1 minus x. Let's see how to divide. Once again, long division method. See, x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x square plus 1 minus x. See, degree of dividend is 4 and degree of divisor is 2. Means this is x to the power 4, this is x square. How many times we can divide? X square times. See, x square. So x square into x square is x to the power 4. Now x square into plus 1 is plus x square. Now x square into minus x is minus x cube, and x cube is not in the dividend. So what to do? We write it separately, minus x cube. Subtract minus minus plus, this will go. Now its degree is 3, so write it first. So we have x cube, here minus 3x square and minus x square, minus 4x square plus 4x is left and plus 5. See, this is x cube, degree is 3 and its degree is 2. So how many times we can divide? X times. So plus x. So x into x square, x cube, x into plus 1 is plus x, and x into minus x is minus x square. We write all the terms with like term. So here change the sign, minus, plus and minus. This will go. What we have? See, minus 4x square and plus x square. So we have minus 3x square and plus 4x minus x plus 3x and plus 5. Now degree of remainder is 2, degree of divisor is 2. So we can divide minus 3 times. What is 3x square? It is x square. So minus 3 times. So minus 3 into x square, minus 3x square, minus 3 into plus 1, minus 3 into minus x plus 3x. Change the sign. Plus, minus, plus. This will go and this will go. What is left? 8. So, what is the result? Quotient is x square plus x minus 3 and remainder is 8. So, this is how we can divide. Means this x square plus x minus plus 1 minus x is not a factor of this polynomial. What happens in case of factor? What happens in case of factor? Remainder becomes 0. Now in question number 2, third part I am leaving for you. Third part of question number 1 I am leaving for you. You will write yourself. Now I am coming to question number 2. Question number 2 is the same as question number 1. In this question, we have to answer whether the first polynomial is factor of second polynomial. Means we will divide the polynomial, and if remainder becomes 0, it means it is factor, otherwise not. What is the instruction of the question? Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. Means we have to divide the second polynomial by first and check whether it is a factor or not. So how to decide the factor? When we have remainder 0. If remainder becomes 0, it means we have factor, otherwise not. Let's see, I am writing one of the questions. We have question number 2, first part, t square minus 3, and second polynomial is 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Means first polynomial is t cube minus 3, sorry, t square minus 3, it is t square minus 3. Now we have to check whether this first polynomial is factor of second polynomial. So we will divide as we divide the polynomials, and if the remainder becomes 0, in that case we say that the first polynomial is factor of second. Let's see. T square minus 3 divides 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Let's see. Check the degree. Degree of this polynomial is 4. Degree of this polynomial is 2. Its coefficient is 2. So first 2 times, and its degree is 4 and its degree is 2. So t square times. Now we multiply 2t square into t square. We have 2 to the power 4. 2t square into minus 3t. So 2 3s are 6. T square minus 6t square. Subtract minus and plus. This will go. What is left? 3t cube. Here we have plus 4t square. How? This is plus 6t square minus 2t square. So it becomes plus 4t square. Minus 9t is left behind, minus 12. Now let's see. This is 3t cube. Its coefficient is 3. Its coefficient is 1. So plus 3 times, and its degree is 3 and its degree is 2. So t times. So multiply 3t into t square, 3t cube, 3t into minus 3 minus 9t. Subtract minus and plus. This will go and this will go, both. What is left? 4t square minus 12. Now this is degree of remainder is 2, degree of divisor is 2, coefficient is 4. So 4 times. So 4t square minus 4 3s are 12. Subtract minus and plus. This will go. Remainder is 0. So what we get? R is equal to 0. So what we write? Since remainder is equal to 0, therefore t square minus 3 is a factor of given polynomial. Factor of given polynomial, right? Let's see one more. Let's see one more. Second part of the question, same as the first part, instruction is same. We have to check whether the first polynomial is factor of second polynomial. The first polynomial is, I am writing second part. This is x square plus 3x plus 1. And second polynomial is 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So this is the polynomial. We have to check whether the first polynomial is factor of second. Let's divide again. We have divisor x square plus 3x plus 1 divides it 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. See, its coefficient is 3, here coefficient is 1, so 1 3 is a 3. Now let's check the degree. Its degree is 4 in the dividend and divisor degree is 2. So how many times? This is x square times. Multiply 3x square into x square is 3x to the power 4. Now 3x square into 3x. So we have plus 9x cube. Again 3x square into plus 1 plus 3x square. Change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. This will go. Here we have minus 9x cube plus 5x cube. Minus 4x cube. Here minus 7x square minus 3x square now. So minus 10x square plus 2x plus 2. Now let's see. This degree is 3. Here degree is 2. Coefficient is minus 4. So minus 4 and x times, because degree is 3, here degree is 2. So minus 4x into x square minus 4x cube minus 4x into plus 3x. So we have 4 3 12. 12x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 4x. See, plus, plus and plus. This will go. What we have? 2x square minus 10x is 12x square minus 10x square plus 2x plus 4x and plus 2. See, now degree of divisor is, degree of remainder is 2, degree of divisor is 2, means coefficient is 2, so plus 2 times. So 2 ones are 2, 2x square plus 2 3 are 6, 6x plus 2 ones are 2. Subtract, minus, minus and minus, all becomes 0. All is 0. So once again what we have? R is equal to 0. So since remainder is equal to 0, therefore x square plus 3x plus 1 is factor of given polynomial. Got it? So I am leaving the third part again for you. You will try this third part again yourself, and in question number 1 I have left one part for you. In question number 2 also I have left one part for you. So you will try these two questions yourself. This will be, you can pause the video to note down the solution. You should query your question on WhatsApp, right? So in today's lecture only this much. Next day we shall start the other questions. Till then, God bless you. Thank you very much.